Hello and assalamu alaikum everyone. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all? I hope you are good and healthy. Allah bless you. Always be happy, friends. First of all, thank you so much viewers for watching my all videos and supporting me. I am very happy to see this. I am very thankful to you for your this favor. Certainly you can see, friends, in this video we are providing you most trending and classical designs of Crochet woman frock designs. So viewers, please don't skip the video. Watch the video start to end because in this video you will see stunning and unique Crochet woman frock designs. I hope you all love these beautiful designs. Wearing an handmade unique frock can enhance self-esteem, personal experience. Crochet frock reflect the creator's personality and style directions. Hobby crochet can be a gleaming activity connected to the hidden. Crochet has been rich history. Convections make or traditional efforts. Crochet yarns can be eco-friendly, recycled or produce long-lasting velvets. Crochet frock can last year, reducing waste, low carbon footprint. Handmade crochet reduce individual boho maxi designs, legs trimmed turns, crop craft styles, frock, floral muffet dresses. Unique designs. Crochet allow to increase handmade design that stand out. Crochet frock after feature delays, lace adds patterns, choose colored yarns and pattern to suit personal styles. Crochet fabric drops beautifully, greeting a flowing and the suitable. Crochet frock can lightweight, breathable, and gentle on skin, suitable for various occasions for crystal wear and formal events. So we will share this video with your family and friends who want these types of ideas, different frock ideas. Select your favorite designs and apply on your dresses and outstanding looks. Thank you viewer for watching the video, especially for these people who are searching these types of most trending designs. So like my videos, subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon from the new and latest update. Viewers, when you press the bell icon you receive the notifications of my recently uploading videos. Be connected with me, friends, and remember me in your prayers. See you soon, viewers. Take care and Allah Hafiz. Please subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon from the new and latest update.